Good morning and welcome to Axis Direct Opening Bell, a quick pre-market briefing with key global cues, overnight trends, and market-moving insights to keep you ahead. We'll start with the global markets. Overnight on Wall Street, markets came under sharp pressure. The Dow fell around 1%, marking its fifth losing session in six. The S&P 500 dropped 1.2%, while the tech-heavy Nasdaq tumbled 2.2%, their steepest one-day declines since June 23rd. Asian markets followed Wall Street lower today. Japan's Nikkei fell 1.2%, while the Topix declined 1%. South Korea's Kospi dropped 1.8%, the Kosdaq lost 2.17%, and Australia's ASX 200 slipped 0.47% in early trade. Index formed a spinning top candlestick, signaling indecision after finding support near the upper end of the bullish gap created on June 15th, a zone that has consistently cushioned declines. Gift Nifty is indicating a gap down opening of around 165 points as Brent Crude has crossed $100 per barrel. For today, 23,650, the lower end of the bullish gap, will be the key support. A break below this level could trigger further downside towards 23,500. On the upside, the previous session's close at 23,870 will be the first resistance, followed by the 24,000 mark. From a positional perspective, Nifty needs to hold 23,650 to keep the positive momentum intact. A decisive break below this level could lead to further profit booking. Skyrocketing crude oil prices amid escalating geopolitical tensions extended the market's losing streak to a fourth session. The rupee weakened by 4 paise to 96.57 despite RBI support, while FIIS sold 2,999 crore rupees, taking the monthly net inflow to 16,335 crore rupees. Nifty futures declined 115 points in a fresh short build-up, with open interest rising 3.1% by 5.53 lakh shares, while premiums moved from -8 to 4 points. Bank Nifty futures fell 533 points as open interest increased 5.5% by 1.49 lakh shares, also signaling a short build-up, while premiums edged up from 72 to 73 points. Options activity remained call-heavy, with fresh call writing at 23,900 and unwinding at 24,200, while puts were added at 23,850 and unwound at 24,000. Nifty PCR slipped from 0.84 to 0.80, while Bank Nifty PCR declined from 0.81 to 0.75. India VIX rose 1.4% to 13.48 as traders priced in higher downside volatility. The FII long-short ratio fell to a June low of 0.08. FIIS reduced index futures and calls while adding puts and stock futures. Proprietary traders aggressively added index futures and options while trimming stock futures. Meanwhile, retail participants reduced options and stock futures while adding modest index futures. For today, watch 23,600 as strong support and 24,100 as major resistance. That's it for today. Please note that this podcast is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Please refer to our website for the full disclaimer. Thank you and see you in the next episode. Investments and securities markets are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.